In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted objects in CapCut for PC using a simple masking method that works great for covering small distractions in your footage. This is an easy editing trick that can help you clean up your videos and make your final result look much more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Now let's jump right into it. First, open your CapCut project and make sure your video is already on the timeline. The first thing you want to do is duplicate your clip. To do that, right-click on the clip, choose copy, and then paste it right above the original clip on the track above. This step is important because the duplicated clip is going to help you hide the unwanted object while keeping the original video underneath. Once you've duplicated the clip, click on the top clip so it becomes selected. Then go to the video section and find the mask option. This is where CapCut gives you tools to hide parts of your video by only showing a selected area. After that, choose a mask shape that fits your video best. A circle works well for round areas, while a rectangle is useful for wider spots and straight edges. Pick the shape that gives you the cleanest result. Now, position the mask directly over the unwanted object you want to remove. The idea here is to cover the object with a section of the duplicated clip so it blends into the scene. To make this look natural, drag the masked area over a clean part of the background that matches the area around the object. For example, if the object is sitting on a plain wall, move the mask to another clean section of that wall. If it's on grass, move it over another patch of grass. The better the background match, the more seamless the result will look. Take a moment to fine-tune the placement and size of the mask so it hides the object properly without revealing obvious edges. You may need to adjust it a few times until it blends well with the rest of the video. If needed, play back the clip and check how it looks in motion. Sometimes the mask can look perfect on one frame but need a little adjustment when the video plays. Keep refining it until the unwanted object is covered as naturally as possible. This method is especially useful for removing small distractions like signs, text, logos, or random items in the frame. It's not always a perfect magic erase tool, but for many simple edits, it can save you a lot of time and give you a much cleaner result. And that's how you remove unwanted objects in CapCut for PC using duplication and masking. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy editing tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.